here. I'll pull. Help me. Oh, yes, that's it. Help me. Oh, yeah. Hey, what's that?
Caden, what's that?
What is all of this? Wow.
You open up a goodie bag.
Wow.
Got your own easy chair.
It's a little rocking chair, yeah.
Come here, let's sit in it.
Oh man, twins.
Come here, look.
Let's see, wait a minute, what we got? We got more letters, look. Cool, more letters. What's that? B, you see B? What's that say? What's that, huh? And there's another shirt underneath here. Oh, that's a cool racing shirt.
They're all racing shirts, look at the other ones.
Katie, look! This one, this one. Look, what's that? Car. Those are cool.
Come here, sit in your chair. Come sit in your chair. Sit in your chair. Good boy.
Woohoo, your own chair.
Hey, Rox. Okay, you want to do it yourself?
So show Grandma how it rocks, Kaden.
You gonna say thank you to Grandma in Florida? Can you go like this? Caden.
Grandma in Florida.
Yeah, great Grandma in Florida. Go like this.
Go kissy.
Say thank you, mwah. He's sitting here chilling watching TV.